guys, welcome in or welcome back to my channel. My name is Kimberly-Elise, and today's video is going to be a quick and easy eyelash tutorial on how to get your eyelashes on in less than 5 minutes. So if that is something that you struggle with doing, stay tuned and keep watching. Alright guys, today's video will be a quick and easy eyelash tutorial on how to apply your false lashes in 5 minutes or less. So if you struggle with applying false lashes, or if you just want to know how to apply them quicker, this video is for you. Okay, so the lashes I will be using is the Ariel Wispies 113s, and the lash glue is the Kiss Lash Glue Liner in Clear. My lights are washing out these products, so I will leave a link in the description box to both products below. This lash glue is totally the star of the show because it makes applying lashes so easy. It's a lash glue liner in one. I will apply the glue liner in 2 to 3 coats, going back and forth to make sure enough product is applied. It comes out a little white at first, however, it does dry clear. You basically just want to make sure you're getting as close to your lash line as possible with the glue. And just line your eyes as many times as you need to get enough product out. You do not have to wait for this product to turn tacky like with most lash glues. This product will turn tacky within seconds. So you don't have to fan your lash in the air waiting for it to get tacky. You can simply just apply the product and then pop your lash on. I like to use tweezers to apply my lash, so I'll grip the center of my eyelash with the tweezers and then apply the lash in the center first. And then I'll take the inner corner and adhere that down, and then the outer corner and adhere that end down as well. The lash sticks to this product quick and easy. And then I'll just take my lashes to kind of mesh the lash in with my regular lashes. The product is quite sticky, so you can probably see my tweezers kind of stick into the lash. That is how amazing this product is. I don't have issues with my eyelashes lifting throughout the day. They stay in place. And that is it, guys. It literally takes less than 5 minutes to apply lashes with this product. I hope you found this video enjoyable. I hope you were able to find it easy for you to be able to apply your lashes with this product. If you enjoyed this content, please like, subscribe to the channel.